Look at the snow. Is that a good chip? Look at the snow. Finally. Snow! Do you like the snow?
Yeah.
Me too. Like Christmas.
Dylan!
Are you dancing? Sounds like a dolphin. Hi. Have fun? In all the snow?
There enough snowboards
What's that?
There's enough snowboards
Yeah.
Do you want me my coins?
Maybe. Don't we put your feet out. It's gonna be cold.
Be cool.
Get up.
Stick.
You found a stick? Awesome. Get up, Alex. Or are you gonna play in the snow like that? Okay. Prego's playing Mario Kart. Shoot! When the hell do you ever say shoot? Shit, son. You can keep playing if you want. Yeah. You can see your footprints when you step in it. Yeah, look at them all. Go up on the deck and get some new ones. Step up there and put your feet on it. You can make footprints. Woo! Look behind you, Alex. Alex, look behind you.
Look at my snowman, Alex.
Look at your snowman. He's awesome. Better make him some arms. We're working on the second snowman. There's number 1. Number 2. Triana's done it the whole time. Hi, Alex.
Hi.
How are ya? You like the snow? Yeah. You gonna help Triana with the snowman? Okay.
I done it.
Good job.
Take the third one.
Sure. Julia,
There we
are you gonna come back after?
go. Drop her off.
You gonna stay for a bit? Afterwards?
I think home at 5
Then come back after?
though. I won't be out at night, but I will stay out when I go get Triana.
Okay.
Alright, I'll see you at school.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, to open?
Yes.
Okay.
It's finally snowing. Look. Oh my goodness. There's Julia. Yay! A few presents. It's supposed to be Noel, but Adam has it as Lone. Oh, and the snowman.
A bat.
Sounds like a dolphin. Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars. Uh-oh, a dog out of a car.
Oh, he has to fix the car.
Yeah. Beep, beep.
Beep beep. What does the beep beep mean?
Get out of the way. Wow. Okay, let's turn the page. Two big dogs going up.
Back
One little dog going down.
down.
He's going down. The green dog is up. The yellow dog is down. The blue dog is in. The red dog is out.
Out. Out.
Out.
Out.
One dog up on a house. Three dogs
In the
down
water.
in the water.
Sir.
Mhm.
Stop.
A green dog over the tree. A yellow dog under a tree.
He's sleeping and he's reading.
That looks like a good thing to do right now.